Good morning everyone, welcome to Chris Does Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to ditch Google Chrome and switch to the Brave browser. If you've got Google Chrome, which you probably do, you can have lots of ads because Google is the world's largest ad network, and it's a browser basically to serve you ads in. They're also pretty big on the trackers because personal data is worth a lot of money. And on top of this, you've got the surveillance capitalism, which Google are kind of known for, but there is an alternative. You can use the Brave browser, which is based on the open source Chromium project and is pretty private, pretty decent, and it's my personal choice. I know people say, what about the crypto crap and stuff that comes with it, but that's very easy to switch off. And I will show you how to install this, how to configure it, and how to turn the crypto crap off very simply. So I don't use Chrome, right? I'm not putting Chrome on my computer, not a chance. So I'm in LibreWolf, which is a privacy-based offshoot of Firefox. But I'm going to go to Brave, do a search, I'll use Brave search on this browser. And I'll be showing this on Windows because most people will be running Windows. Apple is pretty much the same sort of stuff. And Linux, you'll find the Brave browser in your distribution repos and in your app stores. So this is a website, got some stuff down there. And you want to say download Brave. Brave browser setup, that's what it is. So I'll click save on that and let it download. It's pretty quick. If you've ever installed Chrome, you'll be pretty familiar with this kind of setup. I've got the setup file on my desktop. So I'm going to move it over towards the middle and give that a double click. Yes, I do want it to run. This will work a little bit differently after setup because I do have it installed already. But it comes up waiting for download and just goes through this download process. Once that's done, you load it up. Canva's what I was using previously. That's what I use for my thumbnails. And you can see this is the desktop. It's got a few things. You've got Brave Shield, which tells you about what's been blocked. And then you've got their crypto crap, which on my Windows side I do actually use, but on my Linux I don't use it. But you go into settings, and you've got all your options, very similar to Chrome in this respect. But appearance, you can pick the colors and pick different stuff. You can say what's going to get suggested from your searches. But shields, that's what you want. I do like to have auto redirect AMP pages, and that basically takes all the Google crap out and gives you the pure web page. Aggressive tracker and ad blocking, that's my personal thing. Fingerprinting I keep as standard. If you want to add some more filter lists you can, because it has got its built-in ad blockers and you don't need to add extensions for those. So show Brave rewards, turn them off. Private ads, turn them off. And that's how you turn off the crypto crap. That option right there. Social media blocking, I always have these switched off because it stops sites tracking you through login pages. If you do use any of these types of sites to log in into other services, you might need to keep them enabled. Autocomplete URLs. For the WebRTC, it's default, but I always knock this down to disable non-proxied UDP. That way it doesn't leak your IP address to web pages. It's very difficult to do with in other browsers, but Brave is pretty simple. So standard protection, you can use custom DNS if you want. I always tend to use my own because I run my own AdGuard home server, which is a lot more fully featured than any of these other services. Then you've got sync, which allows you to sync things with your phone and across devices. Just normal stuff there, nothing to worry about. Extensions, I always have set up this way. Not worried about the wallet if you're not messing with the crypto crap. Autofill. Don't store your passwords in a browser. Use a password manager. Just not LastPass. Seriously. KeePass and Bitwarden, definitely the best ones in my opinion. So payment methods off, because the less amount of stuff your browser stores, the better. You're better off using password managers like Bitwarden. When that's done, you can go back to your home page. And one more thing to do: customize background images. You can put your own, but you want to turn off show sponsored images, because that's when you get those little adverts, and usually for crypto wallets. Turn those off, and at this point every single bit of crypto crap in Brave has been disabled. That's it. They have top sites on there, Brave News Clock, you can do all this stuff. But that is basically it. That's how you set this up. A few little minor tweaks and you're pretty much good to go. And certainly the crypto crap is not really a big problem if you don't want to be getting into that stuff. If you're not interested in it, it's very easy to turn off. And this is definitely the perfect replacement for the Chrome browser. You can even get the extensions from the Chrome store. So uBlock Origin, this is my Windows one now, you don't need it. I put it on, don't need it. But if you go to the web store, that will load up the Google Chrome store, and you can put any extension you want off there, although be very careful, because the Chrome web store is a very dangerous place. It really is. There's so much crap on there that usually turns out to be malware. So be very careful with that. But hopefully you found this useful, found it interesting, and shown you that it isn't the most difficult thing in the world to switch off something like Chrome onto a more privacy preserving, safer browser. So until next time, thank you for watching, take it easy and have a great day.